The best garage fans to keep your workshop cool. Keep your garage ventilated and cool with our list of the best garage fans. Many factors contribute to heat in garages and warehouses, like the machinery, closed environment, poor ventilation, less insulated walls or ceilings, and more. Working in such uncomfortable conditions can affect your work and health. A garage fan can come in handy in these situations. These fans contain powerful motors that cool the static air in the garage. They provide cooling airflow and are made of durable materials for long-lasting use. So, explore the options available to choose a fan that suits your needs. Number 1. Best easy to install. Lasko 20 inches high-velocity quick-mount fan. The Lasko high-velocity fan, with its strong metal fan blades and the powerful motor, will cool your garage in no time. This fan is ideal for a garage or any workspace. It has a manual speed control system with 3 ranges that you can choose according to the climate, space, and other working conditions. Its pivoting head allows the fan to move up and down for better ventilation and cooling of your garage. What we like: easy conversion system from wall to floor, portable, blue plug safety fuse technology, convenient switch control when mounted on the wall, good air circulation at low speed, easy to install and requires no tools. What we don't like: can be noisy in small spaces. Number 2. Best portable. Simple Deluxe 203 high-velocity fan. The floor fan with a high velocity works well for the garage or any other workshop and industrial setups. With 4650 CFM, this fan can cool the space at a low speed in a short time. You can tilt the fan head to different positions to facilitate air circulation in all directions. Also, the aluminum blades and metal body makes it a strongly built fan. It has a 3-speed rotary switch control to regulate the air moving capacity. The double ball bearing motor will reduce friction and noise. What we like: high air moving capacity, requires no tools for installation, portable, works well for household use too. What we don't like: noisy at high speed settings and in small spaces, does not oscillate from side to side. Number 3. Best low noise. DeWalt DXF 2042 high-velocity floor fan. The DeWalt 20-inch garage fan has 5000 CFM to move a lot of air. It claims to be less noisy when compared to the other garage fans of the same capacity. The aluminum blade fans, metal outbuilt, and rubber pads keep it strong and stable on the floor. It works for any industrial setting and has speed adjustments at the back. What we like: 360 degrees tilt allows you to adjust the fan at the desired angle. Portable, easy to carry handle. Enclosed motor. What we don't like: not as silent as it claims. Number 4. Best easy to clean. Simple Deluxe 18-inch wall mount fan. The wall-mounted fan has 5 speeds and 2 modes of movement: stationary and swing. It is an easy-to-clean model that can be mounted vertically and horizontally on the wall. The long power cord with a polarized plug has a built-in fuse for your safety, and the fan can be used indoors and outdoors. The oscillation and adjustable tilt ensure wide area coverage. What we like: metal blades provide strong wind, easy assembly, low noise level, heavy-duty motor. What we don't like: screws may require frequent tightening, oscillation may not be adjustable. Number 5. Best adjustable. Max Air Extreme Power Industrial Pedestal Fan. The Industrial Pedestal Fan by Max Air provides powerful airflow to combat the hot summer months. It has a sleek design, and though large in size, it can easily fit in the corner and ventilate the whole room. Suitable for cooling down home gyms, garages, and enclosed porches. The tilt-adjustable fan head provides industrial-grade cooling and can also be used in large commercial settings. What we like: 3-prong plug, OSHA compliant and all tested, 3 fan speeds, easy to assemble. What we don't like: may not come with assembly instructions, may be noisy in small spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.